Good morning, children. We are discussing about the question answers in this chapter, children, and we completed up to the fifth question. Today, children, we'll see the remaining question answers. Here, two people push a car for sixth question, children. Just you look into the sixth question. Two people push a car for 3 seconds with a combined net force of 200 newtons. Okay. Here, two people push a car for 3 seconds. Time is given as 3 seconds, children. And here, net force. The net force is given as 200 newtons. Okay, children. Two people push a car for 3 seconds with a combined net force of 200 newtons. Calculate the impulse provided by the car. He is asking to find out the impulse provided by the car. Normally, children, impulse is given by the formula F net into time. That is net force into time. Here net force is given as well as time is also given. Here net force is 200 newtons and here time is 3 seconds. Therefore here 2 3s are 600 newtons second. Okay, children. 600 newtons second. Okay, children. Use 600 newtons second. The next problem is that if the car has a mass of 1200 kg, what will be change in its velocity? Here, if the car has a mass of 1200 kg. Here, children, next problem is that if the car has a mass of 1200 kg, in this second problem, children, okay, here car has a mass of the car is equals to 1200 kg, children. What will be change in its velocity? Okay. Change in its velocity. Okay, what will be change in its velocity? Car has a mass of 1200 kg. Okay, what will be change in its velocity? Okay, children. Therefore, here two people push a car for 3 seconds with a combined force of what? 200 newtons, children. And here mass is given. Okay, and here what will be change in its velocity? Okay, children. Okay, let us see, children. Okay, children, he is asking to change in its velocity. Here mass is given, children. Normally, already from the previous problem, that is in the previous impulse, how much we got? Impulse we got it as 600 newton second. Impulse is the same as, okay, children, impulse is the same as momentum. Impulse is nothing but the momentum, children. Okay, that is momentum is newton second. Normally momentum is given by the formula product of mass into velocity, children. Product of mass into velocity. What is the mass, children? Here what is the mass? Here the mass is, children, here the mass is given as 1200 kg into velocity. Here momentum is given as 600. Okay, here V is equal to 600 by 1200, children. Therefore 2 zeros, 6 1s are 6 2s are. 1 by 2 is nothing but here 0.5 meter per second, children. What is the answer? 0.5 meter per second. 0.5 meter per second. Okay, children. Here the change in the velocity is 0.5 meter per second, children. Next, seventh problem, children. Seventh problem. Let us see the seventh problem, children. Seventh problem. Here, what force is required to produce an acceleration of 3 meter per second if a body object of mass 0.7 kg? Here mass is given. Mass is given as 0.7 kg, children. Mass is given as 0.7 kg. Okay, and here acceleration is also given. Acceleration is 3 meter per second square. 3 meter per second square. Now what is he asking? He is asking to find the force. Okay, what force is required, he is asking. Normally children, we are having of the formula from the Newton's second law, that is force is equals to mass into acceleration. F is equals to m into a. Here m is given, a is also given. Therefore F is equals to, here net of is asking to find the force. Therefore 0.7 into 3 children. That is 0.7 into 3 is 2.1. 7 3s are 21, no children. Therefore here 2.1 Newton. Okay children, here we are getting that as force is 2.1 Newton. Why? Because the units of force is newtons. Okay children, the units of the force is Newton. Here we got the force as the force as 2.1 Newton children. 2.1 Newton. Okay children. Okay, by this we completed the 7th problem children. 7th problem also completed. As in the 7th problem, mass is given and acceleration is given. He is asking to find out the force children. Therefore force is equals to mass into acceleration. Therefore by substituting these values we get F is equals to 2.1 Newton. Okay children. Next here 8th problem children. 8th problem. Let us see the 8th problem. A force acts for 0.2 seconds on an object of mass 1.4 kg initially at rest. The force stops to act but the object moves through 4 meter in next 2 seconds. Find the magnitude of force. Okay children. Here force acts for 0.2 seconds for an object having mass 1.4 kg initially at rest. Here children, the body is at rest. First it is at rest, but some force is acting for 0.2 seconds. Force acting, time for which the force acting that is equals to 0.2 seconds on an object of having mass is given, that is 1.4 kg initially at rest. Okay, next the force stops to act. Force is stopping. Force stops to act but the object moves through 4 meter in next 2 seconds. Object moves through 4 meter in next 2 seconds. Here find the magnitude of force. F is equals to how much? Okay children, here he is asking to find out the magnitude of force children. Magnitude of force children, he is asking to find the force children. Therefore we have the formula for force. F is equals to mass into acceleration children. But here mass is given. Mass is how much here? 1.4 kg. Acceleration, do we know? Acceleration is given by the formula v minus u by t. First, what is the initial velocity children? 0. What is initial velocity? Is 0. Here he is saying that object moves through 4 meters in next 2 seconds. 4 meters in next 2 seconds children. Therefore here velocity is equals to displacement by time. Displacement by time children. Here velocity is equal to displacement by time. Here displacement how much children? 4 meters. 4 meters. Time here children? 2 meters. 2 seconds. Therefore here how much it is? 2 meter per second. Velocity is equals to 2 meter per second children. Velocity is equals to 2 meter per second. Velocity is 2 meter per second. Okay. Velocity is 2 meter per second. Therefore here we get A is equals to v minus u by t. Final velocity is 2 meter minus 0 by the time acting is 0.2 seconds. Okay children. Therefore here 2 by 0.2, that is 2 by 10, 2 cancel. here we get 10 meter per second square. Here velocity is given as 10 meter per second square. Velocity we got, children. He is asking to find out F is equals to m into a. M is given as 1.4 kg. Acceleration is given as 10 meter per second square. Okay, children. Therefore here F is equals to m into a. M is 1.4 into 10, that is equals to 14 Newton, children. What is the force acting on the body? How much, children? 14 newtons. Children, here the force acting on it is 14 Newton, children. Okay. Therefore here today we completed up to the 8th problem, children. 8th problem, that is 6th, 7th, 8th, children. Okay, the remaining we will be learning in the next class. Thank you. Have a nice day, children.